Welcome! In today's guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to prevent certain users from displaying GIFs on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. This feature gives you more control over who can interact with you, keeping your experience smoother and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines stacked together. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find plenty of customization options, but what we're looking for is under Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on that section. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, look for the GIFs option. This is where Telegram allows you to manage who can display GIFs on your account. By default, it may be set to allow everybody, but you can change it to suit your preferences. Now, since the goal here is to block specific users from displaying GIFs, keep the general option as everybody. After that, look closely for the section labeled Never Allow. Next to it, you'll see an option to add users. Click on it. At this step, Telegram will open up your contact list, allowing you to choose the users you'd like to restrict. Select the people you don't want displaying GIFs, and then hit Save at the bottom of the window. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your choice. Double-check everything to make sure the correct users are added, and once you're confident, go ahead and confirm the step. This will finalize the change to your privacy settings. And that's it. From now on, the users you've chosen will no longer be able to display GIFs in your chats. This little adjustment adds a layer of control to your account, making your Telegram experience more comfortable and personalized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and try it out on your own Telegram app. It only takes a couple of minutes, but makes a noticeable difference in how you manage your account.